So you're interested in moving to St. Augustine, Florida, and you'd really like to live in Silverleaf, and there's a community you've heard of called Silverleaf Village, and you'd also like to get a quick move-in home in that community. You don't want to wait for one to be built. Well, guess what? Today, I'm going to cover that with you. There's a brand new, ready for move-in home by MasterCraft Builders. This is a Jasper Craftsman. I'm going to take you on a detailed walkthrough of that home right now, and you're going to want to stick around because we're getting after it right now. This beautiful home that we're about to tour together is a Jasper Craftsman floor plan built by MasterCraft Builder Group. MasterCraft Builder Group is a semi-custom builder. They're also a certified master builder and a 4-time award winner, Best of St. Augustine. This home is currently priced at $575,000, and it has been significantly lowered in price. It's 2,144 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home with a flex room. As you enter the home, you're greeted with 10-foot ceilings and 8-foot solid core wood doors throughout. The kitchen comes equipped with all stainless steel appliances by Samsung, quartz countertops, full overlay 42-inch cabinets with crown molding, under cabinet lighting, soft closed doors and drawers, and a white backsplash. All bathrooms include quartz countertops and raised vanities, 12 by 24-inch tile flooring throughout the main living room of the home, including the flex room. All appliances are included from washer and dryer to fridge. The home is even pre-wired for a pool, and it comes with a whole home energy guarantee. Okay, so while you were checking out the exterior elevations of the house, I went through the specs on the house and also a little bit of background on MasterCraft Builders. Wanted to show you a couple things about the exterior of the home, make sure you're aware of that. Let's look. Okay, so the first thing you're going to see is these driveways are pavered, and you're probably wondering, why is that? Well, number one, it's an upgrade, and number two, concrete driveways, which this is not, this is a pavered driveway, but concrete driveways in Florida invariably will crack. And with this type of driveway, you never have to worry about that ever again. Let's look at the exterior. This is hardy board siding. So that's concrete impregnated board. It's a concrete product. So your house is armor plated. That's all the way around the house. You have these beautiful stacked stone columns, gorgeous landscaping. Even the exterior light fixtures are stylish. 8-foot exterior solid core door, smart locks. House is pre-wired for an alarm system. 10-foot ceilings throughout. Tray ceilings get you to 11 feet. Alarm sensors there. Smooth finish walls, no orange peel. Of course, extra labor was required to get these walls smooth like this. Nice tall baseboards throughout. Look how wide these hallways are. Incredible, right? Take a peek inside the garage. A lot of people will skip the garage. I never do, because garages are important to me. Extra high garage door opening, so if you have a pickup truck, as long as it hasn't been lifted, you can fit it in here. Rainbird, actually Hunter, sprinkler system on a timer. You're pre-plumbed here for a water softener. There's your electrical panel, attic access, garage door with electric lift. Beautiful wide plank tile on the flooring. Beautiful light fixtures. All right, so we make a turn here to the right. Here's the first bedroom. Nice tall windows, allowing a lot of light. There's your alarm sensors right there. Nice sliding panel doors. Look at this, they even set the wall back so the door can open. That's a nice solid core door. You can see how it swings, it's got weight to it. Now we have this room, which does not have a door on it. This is not a bedroom. We call it like a multi-purpose room. You can use it for a play area if you have kids. You could study in here as well. You can kind of make an office out of it. Connects through to this bathroom, which is shared with the adjacent bedroom. You have double vanity sink, nice quartz, tub shower combination with subway tile all the way up to the ceiling. Look at the color of these cabinets. Do you like these? It's not really a true gray, it's lighter than gray. Hopefully my camera picked it up so you can see. We just came over into another bedroom, so this is bedroom number 2. These are all set up for ceiling fans. They can handle the weight, they're designed for it. If you wanted to add ceiling fans, of course you could do that. This is across the hallway. So when you come out of the garage, you have this nice area where you can put your keys. You could have a laptop here, iPad, whatever. What do you think you would put right here? A mini refrigerator, a little sitting area for changing your shoes, like a mud area. I'm not sure. What do you think? Leave something in the remarks. Let me know what you think. I promise I'll respond to every single comment. All the appliances are Samsung appliances. This comes with a washer and dryer. It's pre-plumbed for a laundry sink. That's for your alarm system and your data lines. Nice hall closet with multiple shelves. Continuing forward, half bathroom. Another bedroom. Incredible high ceilings in here. Beautiful open floor plan. Nice tray ceilings. The main living area here. Of course, it's set up for big screen TV, stereo system, what have you. Don't have to have ugly cables showing on the walls there. You can fish them right through. Huge windows here, lots of natural light. They've already got the pendant lights here for you. Smart thermostat. Lennox HVAC, and that's a 16 SEER unit for energy efficiency. Beautiful gray cabinetry. Double oven, Samsung. Soft close drawers. Can lights everywhere. In the ceilings. Huge pantry. Look at this, LED lights under here. Under cabinet lighting, already there. Nice stove. Gas stove, by the way. This community has natural gas pipelines throughout. Quartz counters. Samsung stainless refrigerator. Look at the flooring fixtures. Very nice. Nice kitchen dining area here. Making a turn into the primary bedroom. Huge windows again. Tray ceiling. Look at the size of this bathroom. You know what that is, of course. Huge master closet, primary closet that connects through to the laundry room. Huge, super huge shower with very nice fixtures. Tile all the way up to the ceilings. Quartz counters. All right, I'll meet you outside. Real quick, if this is your first time on this channel and you want to know everything about living in the Jacksonville, Florida area, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current real estate market here in Jacksonville, Florida. My name's Jay Wike. I'm a local real estate agent, and I get calls, texts, and emails all the time from people just like you that are looking for help relocating to this area, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in a month or moving in a year, give me a call, give me a text, give me an email, or even tap that Calendly link for a one-on-one Zoom call. I'm happy to help you make a smooth move to Jacksonville. Okay, now we're out on the back patio. Really large back patio. Nice covered area there. I believe a lot of people might actually consider screening this in. There's a stub there for natural gas. You could have a kitchen out here. Now, if you look over the next door neighbors, you can see they have screened in their patio. And then one house over, you can see that's more than likely a pool home. But you could do that as well. So that's going to wrap up our tour of this Jasper farmhouse by MasterCraft Homes here in Silverleaf Village. If you have any questions about the house, feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is in the description below. If you have any comments about the house or want to comment on any of the questions that I asked, feel free to leave those. I'll respond to every single one of those myself. If you want to live in this area and you have any questions about different price points or different areas around Jacksonville, I can help you with any of those regardless of the area or price point. I can help you with those. And reach out to me. If you reach out to me, it helps me to help you. Please give us a thumbs up. It always helps the reach of the channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe so you can get notified when I put out new content to help you learn about the Jacksonville area. and current events that are going on, and some seasonal stuff. I cover that too. So, you know, like I always say, give me a call, text, email, or Zoom call. And until next time, hope to show you around town.